Hello little friends, today we are going to learn daily use words. River. This is a river. Calendar. This is a calendar. Elephant. This is an elephant. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Shower. This is a shower. Bandage. This is a bandage. Floor. This is a floor. Handle. This is a handle. Shirt. This is a shirt. Pens. This is a pens. Jacket. This is a jacket. Chair. This is a chair. Table. This is a table. Door. This is a door. Flower. This is a flower. Medicine. This is a medicine. Friends. This is a friends. Plate. This is a plate. Spoon. This is a spoon. Now little friends, let's revise all the daily use words that we learned today. River, calendar, elephant, rabbit, shower, bandage, floor, handle, shirt, pants, jacket, chair, table, door, flower, medicine, friends, plate, spoon.